Hi, welcome to today's practice, which is our Pitta practice, our fire practice. So we're using the inspirations from Ayurvedic philosophy and teachings of the elements to really embody and inspire our practice. So today's practice is all about the fire, the hari, the core, using our abdominal muscles and our breathing strength, or the power of our breath to really ignite and stir up a little bit of heat and fire into our practice today. All right, so let's get started.
So go ahead and get started by sitting down, drawing your arms forward, placing your feet into the ground, and as slowly as possible, lower, 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 one vertebrae at a time. Breathe, feel your core activate and engage as you lower and breathe, and eventually relax the back, lift the legs. And then right away, start inhale, lift and lengthen, exhale, inhale, and vigorously stretch and lengthen those legs. And then bend the knees and vigorously in and out and in and out. Flex through the feet. Get your whole body involved here. Lift and lower. If it's too much for your neck, you can always come all the way down. And then rock and roll a few times. And when you come up, lift, draw your hands next to your side, lift your tush up, and then fold back. So just playing a little bit here until you come all the way up in a forward fold and roll back. So just play here. Maybe find a boat pose, extend the arms, and maybe flap and flutter the legs. Breathe, lift up through the chest, smile and relax. There's no wrong way here. We just want to activate the core. And then to close this set, let's hug the knees into the chest. Take a deep breath, lengthen through the spine, press the feet down into the ground and activate through the feet. And then slowly lower yourself all the way back down. This time, lengthen your legs up overhead and take them in a nice big V. Stretch the toes, interlace the hands, and circle about, going one way and then the other, using all of the side abdominals. And then eventually, lengthen out the arms, inhale and exhale, framing your legs, using the strength of your core and your breath. And then coming up through center and grab that imaginary rope, reach and breathe, maybe bend the knees and sway the hips a little, using your whole body to just activate that fire from within. Now let's take a counter pose, hugging the knees in and dropping them to one side, and twist. Relax the shoulders, relax the breath, and then slowly going to the other side. Lengthening that spine, relax, close your eyes, and just feel your whole body soften and surrender down onto the mat. Take a deep breath in and exhale it out. Lengthening through that spine and then coming back into center. This time, let's bend the knees and just drop the legs from side to side. You can let the legs drop all the way down, or you can let them hover. Just kind of depends on what's happening with your belly and your back. And then maybe just doing some circles here with your hips. Again, activating all the different muscles of the abdominals. And then let's hug those knees in, flex the feet, relax the shoulders, and roll up to all fours. Making your way to all fours, press your hands down, and then lengthen the legs to plank pose. Here we come into dynamic plank, lifting and lowering our legs, our knees up towards our elbows, activating the core. And when you need a rest, press back to downward facing dog. Second set, maybe go a little faster, maybe do a little jumping here, or stay with slow and steady. And then downward facing dog to rest. Coming back onto your knees and your ankles, and then lean back, use your core. Inhale forward, lift the arms and reach. Exhale, back. Inhale, lift and lengthen, straighten that spine. Exhale, lean back. Good. And then come up onto the knees. See how it feels to try the same movement with a little bit of height. So that inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, lean back, getting that nice angle with your spine. Interlace your hands behind your back. Lift up through the chest. Just give your body a rest here. And then move your hands to your belly. Let's do some breathing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Force that exhale. Just a little stimulation here, nothing too vigorous. And rest when you need to. Just deepen, lengthen the breath, and then open that mouth and exhale out. Bring your hands to your chest. Namaste, and thanks for practicing.